Welcome. Today, we're diving into something quick but super useful. How to disable WhatsApp web doodles on your PC after the latest update. If you've noticed those little gray doodles floating around your chat wallpaper and want a cleaner look, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser and log in as you normally would by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're on your chat screen, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see a small gear icon near the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find all your WhatsApp settings on the web version. From there, a small settings window will pop up. Click on Chats. Under this section, you'll find an option called Wallpaper. That's exactly where we need to go. When the wallpaper settings open, you'll notice a box labeled Add WhatsApp Doodles. This option is turned on by default, showing those light doodles behind your messages. To turn them off, simply uncheck the box. The background will instantly clear up, giving your chat a smooth and distraction-free look. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Your chats appear cleaner, a bit more professional, and easier on the eyes, especially if you're using WhatsApp web for work or long conversations throughout the day. And that's literally it. No complex steps, no hidden options. Just open WhatsApp web, click the gear icon, go into chats, head to wallpaper, and uncheck the doodles. Now you can enjoy a minimalist, more personal chat background that feels tailor-made to your style. If you ever want the doodles back, it's easy. Just revisit the same menu and tick the box again. Thanks for watching.